starts the engine, powers electronics, and ensures reliable vehicle operation in all conditions. Today's video is about top 5 best car battery that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Super Empower Car Battery. This 12V100 LiFePO₄ battery is an outstanding choice for reliable, long-lasting energy storage in RVs, boats, solar systems, golf carts, and backup power applications. Its advanced 100A smart BMS protects against overcharging, overdischarging, short circuits, overcurrent, and low-temperature charging, ensuring safe operation in various environments. Built with premium-grade LiFePO₄ cells, it offers an impressive lifespan of up to 15,000 cycles and more than 10 years of dependable service, greatly outperforming traditional lead-acid batteries. Weighing only 24 pounds, it's significantly lighter while fitting standard Group 31 battery compartments for easy installation. Fast charging, consistent voltage output, and support for scalable 4S4P configurations make it ideal for both small and large energy storage systems. Operating reliably across a wide temperature range and backed by responsive customer support, this battery delivers exceptional durability, efficiency, and value for demanding off-grid, marine, and emergency power needs. Now our second product is Mighty Max Battery Car Battery. The Mighty Max MMG35 12V55A AGM battery delivers dependable starting power and long-lasting performance for a wide range of vehicles. With 650 cold cranking amps (CCA), it provides quick, reliable starts in both hot summers and freezing winters. The 100-minute reserve capacity helps support extended electrical loads while contributing to a longer service life. Its sealed AGM design is spill-proof and maintenance-free, offering excellent deep discharge recovery and consistent power when you need it most. Built with a rugged, vibration-resistant construction, this battery performs reliably even in rough driving conditions and varying temperatures. It is manufactured in an ISO-certified facility and meets CE safety standards, ensuring quality and peace of mind. The battery can be mounted in multiple positions, except upside down, making installation flexible for different vehicle setups. Overall, the Mighty Max MMG35 is a durable, efficient, and dependable replacement battery that offers excellent value for everyday driving in demanding conditions. Our third product is Super Empower Car Battery. The Super Empower 12V100 LiFePO₄ battery is a reliable and efficient deep-cycle power solution for RVs, boats, trolling motors, solar systems, and off-grid applications. Built with premium-grade A+ LiFePO₄ cells, it delivers outstanding longevity with up to 5,000 cycles at 100% depth of discharge and even more at lower discharge levels. The integrated 100A smart BMS provides protection against overcharging, overdischarging, short circuits, overcurrent, and temperature extremes while maintaining balanced and stable performance. Its lightweight Group 31 design makes it a true drop-in replacement for lead-acid, AGM, and SLA batteries, simplifying upgrades. The battery supports lithium, solar, and generator charging with compatible equipment, while cold weather protection automatically manages charging and discharging in low temperatures. Expandable up to 4S4P, it can support larger energy storage systems with ease. Backed by a 5-year warranty and responsive customer support, this battery offers excellent durability, safety, and long-term value for demanding energy storage needs. Now number 4, Upless New Technology Battery. The Upless New Technology Battery Auxiliary AGM battery is a dependable choice for providing backup power or supporting your vehicle's primary battery in demanding conditions. With a 12V, 14Ah capacity, and 200 CCA, it delivers reliable performance for auxiliary power applications while remaining maintenance-free. Built with 99.99% pure primary lead, it offers better charging efficiency, improved reliability, and reduced toxic emissions compared to batteries made with recycled lead. Its leak-proof AGM construction and strong vibration resistance make it well-suited for daily driving in rough road conditions. The battery also performs exceptionally well in cold weather, providing dependable starting capability in temperatures as low as -30 degrees Celsius. Compact dimensions allow for easy installation in compatible vehicles, making it a convenient replacement option. Backed by a 36-month warranty, a 60-day refund policy, and responsive local after-sales support, the Upless EUX14UP combines quality, durability, and peace of mind, making it a solid investment for long-term vehicle performance. And our last choice is eco-worthy car battery. The eco-worthy 12V280L LiFePO₄ battery is a powerful and well-protected energy storage solution designed for RVs, campers, vans, and off-grid systems. Built with grade A LiFePO₄ cells and a 200A BMS, it delivers strong, stable performance with full protection against overcharge, overdischarge, overcurrent, short circuits, and temperature extremes. Its heavy-duty metal enclosure enhances fire safety and provides excellent heat resistance, while also eliminating the need for an external battery box. The reinforced structure and internal cell support make it highly resistant to shocks and vibration, ideal for mobile and rough road applications. A built-in Bluetooth monitoring system allows real-time tracking of voltage, capacity, and charge status via a mobile app, adding convenience and control. The low-temperature protection feature automatically prevents charging in cold conditions to protect battery health. With a built-in power switch, easy installation design, and durable construction, this battery offers a reliable, safe, and space-saving energy solution for demanding power needs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.